Hello students, so let us now see another important concept regarding something known as thumbnails and an element into it known as custom thumbnails. So let me first tell you what are thumbnails. Thumbnails is the first image which your end user will see when they land on YouTube. That particular icon which you see first, basis which you decide that whether you want to view the video or not, that is known as a thumbnail. So it is very much important that we create it in an effective manner so as it will attract more visitors to watch our video. Ideally, to make sure that we do that, there are a couple of methods. One thing is, whenever we add a video, by default YouTube finds 3 thumbnails from it and tells us to select any one of them. And apart from it, if we want to go ahead and even customize the thumbnail, there is the possibility of it. So let us check out how we can do that. So in this video which we have added, basically in our info and settings part in the video manager under videos, that is the area where we are doing any editing of our video. So here when we added the video, there are these 3 thumbnails which are extracted from the video and we can select any one of them. So let's say for example, if I want to select this first thumbnail, then I can click onto it and click on the save changes button here. It takes a moment to do the change or so and to check whether that thumbnail is implemented, because this thumbnail just has in its screen only there is one row which is being seen or just one pointer which is being seen. So if I want to check it, I need to just navigate to some other tab and then come back to that tab and the change would have been implemented. So this is one way of how we can select it from here. But let's say if you want to add some other particular image either within that video or maybe create one separately from your end. If you want to do that, you have the option of adding it using customized thumbnail. You can add just one particular image which should have a file size of maximum 2 MB with the help of this button. So for doing that, let us first decide as to what image we want to add as a thumbnail. One way would be to play the video in a particular video player and selects any particular image which you want to share. So let's say I want to share an image wherein only 2 pointers out here from the slide are shown. So to do that, I'll play the video in a video player first. So let me do that. I'm using VLC. In this, when I want to take a snap of the element when I want to add a thumbnail where only 2 pointers are being displayed. So here is the point in the video when that is happening. Once I find that, the next thing I'll do is I'll go on to the videos tab. Then there is the button known as take snapshot. When I click on take snapshot, it will add this particular screen as a snapshot in my folder related to pictures in my computer drive. So I'll click on it. There will be the path seen at the top, as well as there is the screenshot being seen. So let us have a look at it. Out here there is under libraries, there is the pictures tab, and in that let us find out from the listing of snapshots. So here is that snapshot which we have just captured, which shows those 2 points. So now what I can do is out here click on customize thumbnail and then from pictures select that particular image which will show that thumbnail. So it will upload that particular snapshot, and now that particular image will be understood to be added as a thumbnail for your video. So this is the process of adding a custom thumbnail which would be apart from the basic thumbnail. Once we have done this, now if we again do a change out here and again go to info and settings, we should be seeing that particular image with just two set of pointers onto it. So this is the process of how we can add a custom thumbnail. Another way of working this out is something as an advantage to us of adding an image which may not be a part of the video. In this process, we have added an image by taking a snapshot of something which is a part of the video, but there could be a scenario where we want to add an image which is not a part of the video. So let us check out the process for it, but in the next tutorial. Thank you.